Hi guys. So today is 26th of August, 11 o'clock. I've almost exited my intraday trade, and what I've done is in this, this is a live trading video, as I discussed in the last video, that I'll be recording the positional trade which I do, and I'll also be updating all the adjustments to that trade and how I finally end it. So this is a live trading video, and also to add, I have posted all the adjustments on live basis on my Twitter handle. A very what I would say articulately told about the adjustments and my rationale behind doing those adjustments on this Twitter thread, on the entire thread of this. So yeah, that's it. Hi guys. So today is 16th of August, Tuesday actually. बट आज ये 16 17 800 के ऊपर सस्टेन करने के कारण मुझे पुराना आयन फ्लाई एग्जिट करना पड़ा. सो विच इज वाई आई एम एंटरिंग दी नेक्स्ट वीक आयन फ्लाई. I'm entering an iron fly at 17,800 and I'm buying hedges at around 400 points from there. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो yeah, this is the position 17,800 and 400 points per hedges I'm buying. Yeah. So if I have to take you all through the rationale for this iron flares, because देखो, if I go through this weekly chart, 17,800 मतलब बहुत सारे resistances है, at least if I see the chart. And also one more thing which I am convinced about, because which I'm taking the trade, is the volumes have been very low for almost last 3 weeks now. Like we hardly are getting any volumes. Even if you see on the daily charts, the volumes are declining every single day. So which is why I'm convinced to take this iron fly, and the stop loss will definitely be 800, like once the 18,000 level is breached. So yeah, as of now, that is the trade. Wherein 17,800, and as of now, I'll see, like I'll not hurry into adjustments. I'll see how market reacts at 17,800 or 18,000 levels. So yeah, that's it. Today it's 16th of August, 3:30. Like almost we have ended today's session. So let's see how it opens tomorrow now. And as of now, I'll look to risk off on the put side if at all we have a gap up tomorrow. And if we have a gap down, I'll risk off from the call side. Whichever side I get the opportunity, I'll be risking off. Hi guys. So today is 17th of August, Wednesday, and now I'll be adjusting. अभी अगर if we see today, our position is in say 8 points of loss. But as we have a good up move, what I'll do is I'll be adjusting my put position. So what I'll do is I'll risk off another 100 points. I'll book this for say 25 rupees, and I'll move another 100 points. So what I've done here is I've paid another 10 points for another 100 points of protection. So let me update it here as well. One second, let me also go through my. Okay, ठीक है, चलो, this is also good. So here I'll have to update it. I'll book 17,400p. I'll book it. I booked it for 25.83. Okay, so 25.83. Modify, and what I did was I sold 17. I bought 17,500 ka P. I bought it for 36.4 at position. ठीक है. Yeah. So अभी देखो, अभी डाउन साइड में our risk is only 5,000, like 50 points, and अपना risk to reward is okay. Like we'll manage it once, and लाइक जैसे जैसे कॉल साइड में और बफर मिलता है, that will also increase. So yeah, that's it. This is the update for now. Hi guys. So today is 18th of August, Thursday. I have entered my intraday positions, and now I'm thinking of adjusting this uh, positional straddle. So I'm thinking of risking of another, I think 17,500. Okay, so we have 35. Another I'll have to pay 8 points for 17,600. I'm thinking of risking another 100 points. So I'll exit 17,500. Okay, and I'll buy 17,600. Let's see how it goes. So now my risk on the put side is only 300 points. Yeah, so my bias basically from here on is consolidation, or I don't expect a bullish move. Okay, so I'll update it simultaneously here. Yeah, let's see. That's it for it. For now, thank you. I'll keep you all updated. Hi guys. So today is 19th of August. It's Friday today, and I was just thinking of whether I should be giving another 7-8 points and like further decreasing my risk on the P side, or should I wait? So what I finally conclude is कि देखो अभी this is definitely a discretionary strategy. Okay, like this is not something wherein you have to follow a certain systems, a set fixed like set rules. So here, if I see my view, I still expect कि we should stumble a little more about 18,000 somewhere. So which is why if I see if at all I'm right, I'll be winning by a huge portion if we get a pullback from here. So which is why what I have finally decided is कि I'll pay another 7-8 points and take this another 50 points of I'll risk of another 50 points. So this is what I'm doing. I'll exit 17,600 and I'll buy 17,650. Yeah. So now if we see, now what I've done is I've booked 17,600, booked 17,600 for 23.3, and I've added 17,650 for the same, I think 28.9. Okay, 28.95. Yeah. So now I'm like, this is like any which way it was a free trade, but now even wherever markets go, I have booked 50 points for sure. I know the risk reward is bad, but yeah, like that is the discretion. Like my bias is still sideways to consolidation. Hi guys. So we had this absolute crash. So now what I'll do is, even though I'm bearish, I'll see whether I'm getting good premiums for rolling down my C. So if I see now I can roll it up for 10 more points, I can get another 50 points. So I'll be doing it because I'll first do it and then I'll tell you all the rationale for it. Yeah. So here if we see, matlab, hardly by paying only 20% of the premium, I get 100% ka protection. Matlab by paying 20 rupees, 10 rupees, I get 50 rupees ka protection, which is why even though I'm not very bullish from here, but from risk management point of view, if I'm getting a better deal, I'll definitely take it, right? So which is why what I did was I booked 18,200 call and I bought back 18,150. I came inside another 50 points. So what that makes out is, like what it does is, this will again smoothen my risk reward, I think. Wait, I'll tell you also. What I have to do is I have to buy this back at, I bought it back for 25.9. Okay, 25.9, and I sold 150 for 35. 18,150. I sold for 25 and bought it back for 35.3. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so the risk reward earlier was 1 is to 1, now it's 1 is to 1.5. So at the max, I can gain 20,000 and the max I can lose is 15,000. But I don't think I'll be losing 15,000 because the moment we close above 18,000, I'll be closing my position. So I think I'll be able to exit with at cost or max not more than 20-30 points of loss. So yeah, that's it. Hi guys. So just a quick update. So if you all see at what I would say, I added this 617, 650. I added this 17 650 at 1046. Okay, on 1046 markets were somewhere here. So on this candle, it seemed foolish to add a P, like to add on to your losing leg. Like the hedge is always losing, okay, when you have a bullish move. So at that point in time, it definitely seemed foolish to add a hedge, but just look at the way it has paid off. Sorry, what is this? Huh. So I added it for 29 and in next 20 minutes, it went from 29 to 70 rupees. So that is how you what I would say, minimize your risk, and this enables you to stay in the trade for longer. So here, if you see, had I not risked off on the PE side for last 2-3 days, I don't think I would have been able to survive this huge fall. Like which the thing is not the fall. Like the fall is not scary. The scary part of the fall is the intensity with which it is falling. The premiums skyrocket in no time. So if you are risking off one particular side, or whenever a side goes in your favor, if you are risking off from that side, it enables you to stay in the trade longer, and once you stay in the trade longer, you are bound to make money majority of the times if you have all your other things figured out. So this is what, like, this worked out very well, and yeah, that's it. Hi guys. So I think we had another round of fall, and I think now I can get another 50 points by giving another 10. So I'll definitely grab that opportunity, and what I'm doing is I'm booking this a 150 and shifting down to 18,100. So this is the crux of the strategy. As in, when you get an opportunity, try to utilize it to the best, wherein you can minimize your risks. So yeah, that's it. Now I'll keep you all updated. Like I'll post the updated payoff and the risk reward on Twitter. That's it. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. So again, it's 19th of August and 1:44 p.m. 1:44 p.m. now. So if we see the markets, we have a very good profit booking coming into picture today. And as of now, if we see our position, we have a 10,000 risk on the upside, that is 100 points, and 550 points of profits for sure wherever market goes. So what I'm thinking of is I can reduce another 50 points by paying another 10 points of another 9 points. Like I don't even have to pay 10 more points. So I'm thinking of risking off another 50 points on the C side so that my risk from here on remains only what I would say, it will remain only 50 points. So I'm thinking of booking this at 30, and this is it. So now what happens is, if we see like here, so 18,100, I book it I booked it for 30 rupees. Okay. So I'm booking it for 30 rupees, modify, and I bought it for 39.3. So I've bought 18,050, 39.3. Yeah. So now the position is very, very safe. If we see, like, I have a max profit of around 4,000 now. I say, like, the it has been reduced from 5,000 to 3,843, and the risk is also reduced drastically. Like, now the risk is hardly 6 points, 60 points, I guess. Yeah. So, and the risk reward has been huge. Matlab, some just 3 hours before it was 1:1, and in a matter of 3 hours, the risk reward has gone from 1:1 to 1:3, more than 1:3. So the max loss that I can make is 6,000, and the max profit is around 18,000. So 180 points and 60 points to lose. 180 points to make and 60 points to lose. Yeah. So that's it. I hope this be the final update for the day. Hi guys. So today is 22nd of August, Monday, and like we've just opened, like not just, it's almost been 40, 50, 30, 35 minutes, and now what I did was I did my last adjustment to the trade. Like now I think I am completely risk free on both the sides. So what I just did was I exited this 18,050 C and rolled it another 150 points down to 24 by paying another 15 points. So not even 15 points, I paid only 14 more points, but I took a protection of another 150 points. So I paid 10% of the premium. मतलब मैंने basically 15 रुपए पे किए for another 150 points का protection. So this is what I'll update in here. If you see 18,050 I booked it and I bought 17,900. Abhi let me show you all how it looks over here. So I booked 18,050 for how much? 18,050 I booked for 1020. And what I've done is I've sold I've bought 17,900 ka call. I've bought it for 24.2, two lots at least. Yeah. So abhi we are safe on both the sides. Even if market bounces from here, we are safe. And on the downside, we have absolutely no risk from, like, I think from Thursday we have no risk. From Thursday we have no risk, I think. Yeah. So this is the update. Now we are completely free in the trade. We have nothing to worry about. We will at least take home say 20 points, and on the upside if we close somewhere around 800, the maximum target is around 17,000. So yeah, let's see what happens. Hi guys, so today again Monday 22nd of August 3 o'clock, like we are almost towards the closing hour of the market. So here if we see, now what I've did is I've did the reverse. So what I did is I've booked 17,650p and I've bought 17,600p. So here if you see, I've taken an advantage of another 33 points. So here my risk basically is uh, uh, it is increased by another 50 points, but I've taken in 35. I've booked already 35 points. So what I'm doing now is I'm risking another 15 more points by going 50 points away from the strike which I had sold. And from here, if I get a reversal, I'll book another 35 points for my iron fly this way. So what if I show you how it looks is, so what I've done is I've basically now I think I'll be exposed to the P side a bit. So here if we see what I've done is uh, I've booked 17,650p. I've booked it for how much? I've booked it for 190.60. 190.60 modify. ठीक है. And I've sold 17600p. Sorry, I've bought 17600p. ठीक है. I've bought it for 17600p. I've bought it for 156.75. हाँ, तो whatever I did until now, I was risking off from either side. Like I risked off earlier, I risked off from P, and then धीरे धीरे जैसे market नीचे आया, I risked off from my call side. But now what I'm doing is I'm risking on, like I'm taking another 50 points risk, so that if we have a reversal, I book some intrinsic value which this option has gained. 14,650. If we see, it had gone to 190. Okay, so if at all we see a reversal from here tomorrow, I book that. So that's it. Now if at all, even if we don't book, I don't think I still suffer a loss. Like on the downside, I'm still break even. Like I still take some profit back. So yeah, that's it. Hi guys. Just after I did this, I think again we had a down move, and if we see again, I'm getting another say 76 and 44, another 30-31 points. So I think I'll book another 30-31 points. I'll take another 50 points of risk on the downside, and let's see how it goes. 1 second. So here I'll book 17,550. I'll buy 145. Okay. So again I'll explain you what the rationale is. Okay. So first let me update it over here. So what I did just now is I've booked 17600p for 143.8, sorry, 175. I booked it for 175.05. ठीक है, 170, and I sold 17,550. 1550 का P. Sorry, I bought it back. I bought it back for 143. 143.8. ठीक है. हाँ. तो if we see, abhi what I'm doing is I'm taking additional risks on the P side because now I expect a reversal from here. Okay. So मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ basically? I'm बुकिंग द इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू. अगर आप अभी देखो तो मेरे पास 17600 पी बॉट था, एंड अभी मार्केट है 17500. तो व्हाट आई डिड इज आई बॉट 17550 पी विच इज अगेन इन द मनी पी. तो अगर यहाँ से नीचे भी जाता है तो आई एम कंप्लीटली प्रोटेक्टेड. बट व्हाट आई डू इन द प्रोसेस इज आई ऑल्सो बुक द इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू दैट दीज P commands. So say from tomorrow, so say tomorrow we have a reversal and we open say around 17600. तो ये जो P है ना, ये जो 175 है, it will in matter of seconds, like not even in the matter of seconds, like at the very open it will be below 50 rupees if we open tomorrow at 17600. So what I do is I book the intrinsic value and the options, and I also protect myself if at all we have a further downside, and like if we have a further downside tomorrow, तो अगर यहाँ से नीचे जाता भी है तो I already have this option open. But if at all we have a reversal, in that case also I have already booked this intrinsic value. ये 35 rupees मैंने book किया, ये 35 rupees मैंने book किया. तो in that case what it does is it increases my profit. तो अगर यहाँ से reversal आता है कल, तो ये देखो, ये अगर हम लोग आप फर्स्ट देखो तो दिस हैड गॉन टू सम, ये 5000 के आसपास कुछ था, बट अभी इट हैज गॉन टू 15000. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ मी बुकिंग एडिशनल पॉइंट्स इन दैट पी. समझे? सो या दैट्स इट. Hi guys. So today is 23rd of August and it's Tuesday today, 10:40. So I actually, what happened today was we opened around 100 points gap down, and from there we had a very fierce rally. So at the very open, what I did was I did, this is my intraday position center. I click ignore this. Yeah, this. So what I did was I booked 17550p and like I exited 550 and bought 500. So I risked another 50 points by booking 33, 35 points of intrinsic value. So what happened is like this is how the payoff chart looks. If you see, now I have another 28 points of risk on the downside, but on the upside I get minimum 17,000 in whatever case if we expire above 17,700. So this is the trade, and right now if we see, we after a few hours rally we are again getting sold into. So let's see, as of now the risk in the trade is 2800 on the downside, and we have absolutely no risk on the upside. So let's see how it goes. I'm expecting a reversal from here. Like I am expecting markets to close above yesterday's low today. But as of now, the picture don't seems to collide with it. So let's see. Hi guys. So again today is 24th of August, Wednesday. I think this would be the last adjustment for the day. So what I've done is last adjustment for the trade. I think like it's almost done now. So what I've done is I've risked off another 50 points on the P side as well. So basically now what I have is I have 17,800 ka P, which is worth 183 rupees, and I had 17,600 P bought. Sorry, I had 17,500 ka P as a hedge. So what I did was I came in another 50 points closer. So now I don't have a probability of loss. If at all tomorrow we have a gap down, I still come out of profits because I sacrificed another 10 points and covered myself for 50 more points. So in this, if I show you, like I've just updated it, the graph looks like this. So even if we have a gap down tomorrow, I still take home some 10 points. So yeah, that's the update. The strategy, like the trade is completely free for now. We at least take home 10 points even if we have a big gap up tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. I think the trade has worked out very, very well. And even if I think the chances of we getting a gap up tomorrow is much higher than the market losing below where we are today. So let's see. Hope for the best. Hi guys. So yeah, if I tell you all the update, we are in good profits. We're sitting on 150 points of profit, 15,000. And now what I'm looking is I'm looking to cover another 50 points on the downside. So what I'll do is I'll cover up 17,500 and buy 17,600. Now what this will allow me is I'll tell you. So here now what I do is like I'll update it so that will be easy for you all to understand what are the repercussions of this adjustment. So here if we see, one second, let me look at my intraday position. Oh fuck. So 850. Okay, not a problem. Okay. So I was adjusting this. So I booked this 7.7, 7.7, and what I did was I bought 600 copy 13.05 2 dots. Okay. Yeah. So now on the downside as well, I'm completely protected. Like I take at least 50 points home, and on the upside, I take any which way 150 points. So yeah, this is the update. Now I will finally just wait for where the Nifty expires. Hi guys, just a quick update. For yesterday, I was not able to record the last minute of the trade because of this brutal down move. Like, I had to adjust my intraday positions, because of which I just couldn't see my positional trade. So if we see, I booked the least possible profit that was possible on this trade. I think it was some 60 points. Yeah, I red booked 60 points on this trade, which is not bad. Like, if we see the moves that happened on that day, the markets were terrific. Like, if we see, we had, after I had entered the straddle over somewhere over here. After this, we had a 200 points fears up move, and then a very sharp 600 points down move, and from there we have some 300, 350 points pullback again. So, and such a brutal move, even if you're coming without giving anything, I think that's a good thing to do. And yeah, I'm definitely, had I had the bandwidth to adjust this position, I would have captured another 40, 50 points in the last 20 minutes of the trade. But I just couldn't because of my intraday positions were very huge. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.